case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a landmark verdict that reaffirmed the sovereignty of Native American tribes, the U.S. Supreme Court ruled in 1976 that states could not impose taxes on Indian reservations or on income from activities within those reservations, unless expressly permitted by Congress. This ruling came in response to the case of Bryan v. Itasca County, which revolved around the taxation of a reservation Indian's mobile home. The roots of the lawsuit laid in the passing of Public Law 280, a legislation that granted states criminal jurisdiction over offenses involving Indians on their reservations, but did not explicitly confer taxation rights. The ambiguity over this omission led Itasca County, Minnesota, to impose a tax on a mobile home within its jurisdiction, an act that Bryan, the Native American homeowner, challenged in court. Despite this challenge, the Minnesota Supreme Court sided with the county, ruling that the tax was valid. This decision was then appealed, setting the stage for the eventual Supreme Court hearing. The highest court in the United States took a decidedly different view of the law. The justices ruled that Public Law 280 did not grant states the power to tax, and the limitations set forth in Section 4 of the Indian Reorganization Act, which restricts alienation of property held in trust by the U.S. for Indians or tribes, did not permit taxation either. The court declared that Congress had shown no clear intent to make the act end tribal tax immunities. The Supreme Court also invoked the principle of generously interpreting statutes in favor of dependent Indian tribes when faced with ambiguous language, a legal tenet that underpinned their final decision. In light of this principle, the verdict saw the reversal of the Minnesota Supreme Court's decision, reasserting tribal sovereignty over taxation.
Case briefs and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind, leave the stress of class.